I'm Tanya Snuggs, and these are some of the stories making the Evening Standard's front page. London is expected to hit the 2 million coronavirus jabs landmark this week. Official figures show 1.8 million doses had been administered by Monday evening. It comes as COVID-19 cases have fallen so quickly in parts of the capital that one borough now has a 7-day rate below 40. Confirmed infections are continuing to fall fastest in London compared to other regions. Islington had the lowest 7-day rate of 38.8 new infections per 100,000 people in the week to February the 18th, after a fall in cases of 56.5% in 7 days. A further 923 cases were announced for the capital on Tuesday. 23 boroughs now have a 7-day rate below 100, with 9 above this level, which public health chiefs want areas across the city to get below before lockdown is eased. Meanwhile, there are some claims that it's almost inevitable that countries outside the UK would need vaccine passports to travel. Cabinet Minister Michael Gove is leading a review into the complex issues surrounding so-called COVID status certificates. Boris Johnson's previously said the government wants to determine whether offering them could help venues to reopen. Some senior ministers have frequently, though, appeared to dismiss the idea, with Nadhim Zahawi, the government's vaccines minister, labelling them discriminatory. The use of COVID status certificates could mean venues or businesses may deny someone access if they can't provide evidence they've been jabbed against coronavirus or have had a negative test. Well, Greece is reportedly considering opening its borders to British tourists who've received a vaccine as early as May. The Times is also reporting that the Greek government is said to be discussing the logistics of vaccinating airport workers and hotel employees at resorts. The EU wants countries to follow a united approach when opening up to travellers from outside the bloc, but senior tourism ministry officials did not rule out that Greece could break ranks. It comes as airlines and travel firms have experienced a surge in demand after the Prime Minister Boris Johnson revealed his lockdown roadmap for England, as foreign holidays could be permitted from May the 17th. Tiger Woods is awake and responsive after a serious car crash near Los Angeles. The Golf Stars team say he's recovering in hospital after undergoing surgery, and in a statement on Twitter, they've thanked well-wishers for their overwhelming support and the medical staff looking after him. The 45-year-old suffered multiple open fractures to his lower right leg, with a rod placed in his tibia and screws and pins in his ankle. It's after his SUV rolled several times and crashed. He was alone at the time and no other vehicles were involved. And Chrissy Teigen is celebrating after she was unfollowed by Joe Biden's presidential Twitter account. The TV personality and cookbook author, the wife of singer John Legend, became one of the first people followed by the account when Mr. Biden took office in January. She'd been blocked by Donald Trump since 2017, while Teigen, known for her colourful social media presence, welcomed Mr. Biden's follow at the time. She then asked for an unfollow so that she could flourish. She later shared a screenshot showing the presidential account was no longer following her and posted an expletive-filled message basically saying she was free.